Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy JazzyFaux coming at you with another YouTube video. This time, it's gonna be a freaking house tour. Oh my gosh, because I just moved house. That's why I haven't posted a video in a while. Plus, I went to an awesome festival because Miss Jazzy bought me an incredible, all expenses paid ticket to Boomtown, an epic festival, which stay tuned to see more photos and videos and content from that on both my YouTube and my Instagram and Twitter and all that good stuff, alright? Links will be down below, and I really hope you enjoy seeing my shitty house. It's just me recording everything that's wrong with my house before I even got to move in my possessions because, bro, let me tell you, it was a process, man. It was so dirty, but there's so many problems with the house that they just hid from us, like, it's fucking nutty. But a lot of people thought it was funny when I recorded it. They're like, I know I shouldn't laugh, but it's a funny video. So, I'm showing you guys. I hope that you guys, enjoy it. And maybe give me a little sympathy with all the damn problems that are in my house. We are kind of moved in now, like, mostly. And, most of the problems have been addressed, but it's still a work in progress. Especially because the builders only just got in, or craftsmen, just got in contact with us recently. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy it. Much love. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring-a-ling-ding that bell. And as always, leave me a comment and let me know what you think of my shitty new house. Alright? I love you guys and much love. Alright? Stay jazzy out there. And TJ, take it away, my friend. Woo! Alright, this is my house tour with everything that's wrong. Let's start here. I don't know why there's a million plates in there. That's not in the inventory. It's getting thrown out. Yeah, that's alright, I suppose. Wallpaper coming off literally everywhere. I'm not going to point it out every time I show you in the video. It's fucking coming off every single wall. But anyway, big stain on that. Don't know what's going on there. Alright, come back in here. You'll see this is a common theme. Measure twice, cut once. They didn't do that. Don't know what that is. State of these stairs. Not varnished. Got some splinters just now from doing that. Coming in here. Big fuck off thing here. It's kind of, yeah, just fell right off. That's not even supported by stable. Doesn't even work. Big fuck off hole behind it. I'll have to cover that. I emptied all of this full of trash. It was filled to the brim. It's just been emptied now. I kept this because I don't know why there's an egg in a jar. I thought it was funny. This is bad. I don't know what's going on here, but look, you can literally see the wall moving, and I'm barely putting pressure on that. Holes. Literally everywhere. Holes. Holes everywhere. Don't know what's going on. State of this is not good. Coming back in here, more wallpaper damage. I know I said I wouldn't point it out, but that one's particularly bad. All right, coming in here. Someone's just like cut a hole, and I guess they thought, yeah, you know what? It's white paste. It looks the same. It doesn't. I'm gonna keep coming in here now. You know, the kitchen's actually pretty nice. It's nothing really wrong with the kitchen. Nothing to really complain about. That's fine. Don't know what's going on here, but you know, is what it is. Coming in here, bathroom just redone. Looks phenomenal. Nothing to complain about here. Looks fine. Looks fine. It's gonna keep on coming. Keep on coming. The house is also like messy. There's just shit, like dust and shit everywhere. Gonna have to clean it. I guess it wasn't cleaned before we came. Don't know why. Gonna come up our stairs now. I mean, look, you can see it's chipping and coming off everywhere, you know. All right. This is fine for the most part, these walls and ceiling. Coming in here, don't know why this is in here. It's an outside chair. And this is fine. It's all been revarnished. For the most part, the room is okay. Again, wallpaper coming off literally everywhere. I know I said I wouldn't point it out, but it's just hard to not notice, you know. I mean, it's literally everywhere. So, all right, gonna keep coming though into this room. Weird fireplace here. Loose tiles, you hear that? You can even see it moving. You know what? No, I'll show you. Just moving there. So I don't know what's going on there. Wallpaper, again, coming off everywhere. Don't know what's going on. Coming in here. That's fine. Obviously, again, haven't bothered to clean the outside of this window, but you know, it's whatever, I guess. I don't know, industrial weird shelving unit. Don't know why that's part of the inventory, but they won't let us get rid of it. That's fine. Close this. Don't know why it's open really. But good to know I sleep next to a boiler, so might die if it goes wrong. There you go. I don't know, these like industrial lights are clearly put on like, I don't know, like the state of that. Like what's going on here, bud? Why do these even exist? It's like from the 1800s. Like, well, I mean, I know that's an exaggeration. I'm not stupid, but another wicker chair belongs outside. Don't know why it's in here. Coming in here, more myths of the measure twice, cut once. Don't know what's happening. But for the most part, the room in here is okay. Again, like I said, the rooms are okay. Just the wallpaper issue coming off literally everywhere. And then, you know, the wood. I've already cleaned out a bunch of trash that was left. Oh, what's that? Is the wood bulging here? Oh, the wood is like bulging here. You can see and hear it here, splitting. I don't know if you guys can see that moving, but I can. Anyway, yeah, so that's my house tour. I'm gonna make it look nice to the best of my ability. Kind of hard with all the shitty wallpaper everywhere. You know, the wood coming off here. It's just, yeah. Anyway, that's about everything that's wrong with it. Just have another look around. Yep. Big fuck off pipes here. You know, is what it is. There's literally cobwebs everywhere. Also, didn't mention that. They're everywhere. Oh yeah, didn't even show you that. Let me just go back to the bathroom really quick. Look at the state of that toilet brush. Someone's like left poo in it. I don't even, it's like growing mold. I don't know. It's, anyway. JazzyFaux coming at you at August 1st again. 15:22 this time. Just gonna record the video of the back garden, see what it is before we even move in. You can see nothing here. I haven't moved in anything else yet. We did patch that a little bit, but we'll see what's going on. Anyway, here we go. Just, you know, chair, fuck off trash here. Again, you know, oh, you wouldn't believe me, but this wall horseshoe, that was on the inventory, so that's very important, obviously. All right, anyway, coming on here. Get some wide lens action going in here. Trash.
Get the bags.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, all this like, oh yeah, I didn't even look at all this. It's like plastic bullshit and everything. Don't know what's going on back there.